Hi there, students. To militate. To militate. Okay, to militate means to influence something, to push it towards a certain effect, to give strength to the argument, or to fortify the probabilities that that will happen. Particularly to militate in favour of something or to militate against something. So your really good English will militate in your favour. It will militate you getting the job. It will militate in favour of you getting the job. His poor curriculum will militate against the possibility of him getting that job. The recent scandals will militate against him, against any probability of him being re-elected as Prime Minister. So to militate, I think more generally to make something less likely to happen, less likely to succeed, but it can go in the other way as well. For example, our justice system is so complicated and so expensive that it militates against justice for the individual. People haven't got the time, they haven't got the money to do it. Yeah, and that's the idea of militate. Okay. So to militate, a fact or a circumstance, something that is a powerful factor in making something happen. Yeah, it may be a conclusive factor in making this happen. There are fundamental differences between the two groups, and this will militate against any chance of a meaningful agreement. Yeah, it will militate in favour of there not being an agreement. Okay, so to militate against something, to make it less likely, less possible. Yeah, to militate against someone, to prevent them from achieving what they want. So I know we supposedly live in a society where women are treated equally, but it is still very clear that being a woman militates against your chances of getting a good job. Yeah, being a man militates in your favour. Okay, so facts, actions that have a strong influence or a strong effect normally militate for, militate in favour of, or militate against. Yeah, his behaviour militated against any chance of him being let out of prison on bail. Okay, so to militate, to push something towards something, to operate in favour or against. Yeah, facts or evidence or action. As he was so young, this militated against him. Yeah, it had a substantial effect. So to militate, to weigh heavily. His prison record will militate against it being easy to find a new job. In the past, an archaic meaning of this was to be a soldier, to fight for a belief. We don't nowadays use it, but it's linked to the word military. Okay, so to militate, to an effect that works in favour or against something. Very often a strong effect. Related to the word militant as well. So formality. This is a formal literary word. I think I'd give it a 7.5. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. I think a semi-formal conversation, okay. A formal conversation, definitely. And formal writing. And then the origin, it comes from Latin, militatus, from milito, meaning to be a soldier, to fight. Okay, so yes, I'm certain that the better your English is, the more it will militate in your favour at work or in your possibilities of getting a job in the future. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To militate against, to militate for.